Today I'm going to showcase Ghost Job Detector, which is an application that helps job seekers in finding out whether a job posted on LinkedIn or other platforms is real or fake. There are two ways in which this application can be used. The first way is through the web application that you can see on my screen, where the users can enter details about the job that they're going to apply. Like here, I just add details of one job that I found on LinkedIn. So once we click on analyze, the system is going to perform checks on multiple criteria. The first criteria is ATS verification, where we check if the job is present on the company's official careers page. The second check is based on the job description, because a lot of fake jobs or jobs where there is no intent to hire have very generic description. Then we also check the recency of the job posting and compare it with the number of applicants. Next is the check based on uniqueness, where we check if this is a duplicate job or a job that has been reposted a lot of times by the company. And finally, there is a community signals feature where users can share their experience, whether they got a response from the company or they got an invitation for an interview, or if there was no response at all. So, in this particular case, the job was found to be a legitimate job. And in such a scenario, the system also displays the link to the which redirects the user to the careers page of that particular company, so that the user can just directly go and apply there. The other way is through the Chrome extension, which only works for LinkedIn right now, where once we click on the extension, it automatically fetches details of whichever is the active job on the screen. And then clicking on analyze will perform the same checks that are performed on the web app and then give it a score. This application is built using Next.js and Fast API, where the front end is hosted on Vercel and the backend is hosted on AWS Lambda. AI was used in the development of this application, where initially V0 was used to develop the front end, and later on Claude and ChatGPT were used to develop the full stack application. Some of the problems that were faced during the development of this application were that, firstly, um, for example, in this case, if I constantly keep sending requests to this particular company's ATS system, then there is high probability that they would block me. So the initial app that was developed by AI did not consider this scenario, which later on, using Claude, it was fixed, where the jobs for each company were being cached into a database like Supabase in this case. So this helped in avoiding the risk of getting blocked by ATS systems. Another problem that was faced was that uh, initially this was not compatible to work with AWS Lambda. So again, Claude and ChatGPT were used in order to fix those issues and have this full stack application working. Thank you.